Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how I created this Wizard of Oz inspired Dorothy dress for my daughter. This took roughly around 4 to 5 hours to make, so it can be easily made in a day. This was the inspiration I used. I saw it on Facebook that somebody was selling these and I was like, hey, I can make it. This is the pattern I use, a Simplicity S8853 option B. I used this 16-inch polyester zipper, this blue checked fabric, and a white lace cotton material. I also used this white thread and these 1.5-inch buttons. I did use peeking shears on this fabric. The fabric frayed really bad. I did make the sleeve a little bit bigger, which if I make this again, I probably would not have done because it was a little bit big. The skirt pattern, I did extend it, as you can see, quite a bit because I wanted a big fuller skirt. On this lace material, I cut the neck ruffle, I cut the skirt patterns, and I also cut sleeve patterns, and I extended the sleeves out a little bit bigger than the blue checkered pattern as well. I did cut the bottom ruffle for the lace skirt because I wanted to extend past the blue checkered skirt. And this is all the pieces that I used. I started off by gathering the sleeve and the skirt patterns, and then I went into attaching the bodice together. After the bodice is sewn together and the sleeves are all gathered and sewn down, I start attaching the sleeves to the bodice. I gave the sleeves a small rolled hem. Now I'm gathering the neck ruffle down to about 16 inches and attaching it to the neck of the dress. The neck ruffle is attached between the bodice and the neck facing. I did top stitch the neck down to keep the facing down. The original pattern didn't have a waistband, so I had to create that. I attached the waistband to the skirt portion. Once I attached the waistband to the skirt, it was attached to the bodice. Before I sewed up this back seam, I gave the skirt a rolled hem. And to finish up the back seam, I added a zipper and then sewed it completely closed. I did sew down the waistband on the inside. And here's the final result. I think it came out really cute. I'm not a professional sewer. I've only been sewing for about a year. And she loves the dress. Thank you for watching, and I hope we get to make more outfits to show you. Please subscribe. Thank you.